Today we are crocheting a puff flower. First, hold the yarn. Make a magic ring. Insert the hook through the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Slip stitches. Next, crochet 6 single crochets. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch. Place a stitch marker on the 6th stitch. Pull the loop tight. Remove the first stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch. Hide the yarn tail. First round completed. Second round. 2 slip stitches. 6 incomplete half double crochets. Do not pull the loops on the hook too tight. Yarn over and pull through all loops. 3 slip stitches. Slip stitches into the next stitch. First petal completed. Second petal. 2 slip stitches. 6 incomplete half double crochets. Do not pull the loops on the hook too tight. Three slip stitches. Slip stitches into the next stitch. Second petal completed. A total of 6 petals are needed. 6th petal. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Petals completed. Make one final slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Have you learned it? Please like and follow. Leave a comment to discuss.